Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoScores.com. Today we are stepping into the opportunity category with one of the most well-known indicators in trading, the RSI or Relative Strength Index. This one helps you estimate whether a cryptocurrency is currently overbought or oversold. And it's a tool that traders, bots and investors all use to make decisions. So what is the RSI? It's a mathematical formula calculated over 14 days of price movement. It compares the average gains and the average losses over that period and gives you a percentage between 0 and 100. The key levels to remember: above 70% the asset is considered overbought. That means the price has gone up a lot recently and there's an increased likelihood that traders will start selling to take profits. Selling pressure builds. Below 30%, the asset is considered oversold. The price has dropped significantly and traders may start viewing it as a good deal. Buying pressure builds. So between 30 and 70, that's the neutral zone. The asset is trading within a normal range. So let's take a look at Ethereum, and when we click on the opportunity score with a pretty good one of 99 over 100, we scroll down and we can see this indicator, the RSI. As you can see, it's about 47.32%, right in the middle of the neutral zone, no extreme in either direction, the price isn't overheated and it's not beating down either, just steady, normal trading conditions. But now if we took another example, AB, with an opportunity score of 97, the RSI is clearly oversold, with 5.98%, clearly in green. That's extremely oversold actually, way below the 30% threshold. The price has been pushed down significantly, and at this level, the RSI is signaling that the selling might be overdone. Historically, when a project hits RSI levels this low, it increases the probability of a bounce because buyers start seeing it as a potential opportunity. Now, and this is a nuance here and pretty important, oversold doesn't automatically mean buy. It means the selling has been intense and statistically a reversal becomes more likely, but you still need, of course, to understand why the price dropped in the first place. The RSI gives you the signal, your research gives you the context. So let's take a look at a third project, Algo, with a RSI clearly overbought at 75.9%, clearly in red, right above the 70% line. The price has been climbing, and at this level, the RSI is telling you that the buying might be running out of steam. The likelihood of traders taking profits and creating selling pressure increases. And again, overbought doesn't mean sell immediately. Some of the strongest rallies in crypto happen while the RSI stays overbought for days or even weeks, but it's a signal that the move is getting stretched and the risk of a pullback is higher than usual. And here's a great feature. When you click on the RSI value on CryptoScores, it takes you directly to the chart on TradingView. Once you're there, you can see the RSI plots alongside the price. Zoom into different time frames, and for those of you who are more experienced, look for RSI divergences. A divergence happens when the price is making new highs, but the RSI is making lower highs, or at the contrary, when the price is making new lows, but the RSI is making higher lows. That mismatch tells you the momentum behind the move is fading, and it increases the probability that the price will reverse. It's one of the most powerful signals in technical analysis, and TradingView is perfect tools to spot it. And just like with the other metrics, you can use the RSI directly from the main dashboard, filter over 7,000 projects by RSI range. You just have to click here on the filter to scroll down to opportunity. You can see the RSI, the mean and the max value. So, if you want to find everything below 30, set the filter and instantly see oversold project in the market. Looking for overbought conditions above 70, same thing, one click. This is incredibly useful for scanning the entire market quickly instead of checking projects one by one. You let the filter do the work and focus only on the ones showing the signals you're looking for. So use the RSI as a trend following tool. Below 30, the market might be giving you a discount, but verify why every time. About 70, momentum is strong, but the risk of a pullback increases And in the neutral zone, nothing extreme, the market is breathing normally. And as always, you are the one making the decisions. The RSI is one of the most widely used indicators in the world for a reason. CryptoScores puts it at your fingertips across thousands of projects. Use it wisely. The RSI overbought, oversold, or right in between. Now you know how to read it. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.